so let's so I got 3 mags. We will knock these out in short order. The mags got the little hole in there, so you don't know which way to put it on. Put a hole on the bottom, so you don't have to take it off to clean movie. So I'm gonna just stick all 3 on. Then we'll heat them up. So, repeat. Sponge action. Get that insignia block to come through. Oh yeah, I see. I see. Yeah. Alright, so there we go. Gunskins Glock 19 skin. I liked it. I had fun. I'm doing this, wasn't nearly as hard. Like I said, didn't have to do any cutting. Just kind of take the pieces off, put them in where they go. By no means is it perfect. Looks pretty decent straight up. But then, you know, you can kind of maybe see like the pattern on the back, maybe didn't line up perfectly. But besides that, yeah, the front part looks nice. The you can see the detail pressed in on everything. So yeah, everything looks great. Like you say, you're not seeing any jagged cuts or anything. Once you press down on everything, you can see the grooves and the serrations. So yeah, this is that manual working pretty good with all the things. So yeah, Gunskins, go on the site, check them out, tell them Richard sent you. I'll leave a affiliate link below, so if you get something I do, we'll get a little small commission. But yeah, Gunskin, Glock 19, man, this thing is nice. Yep. So that's it. You guys stay safe, shoot straight. We'll catch you next time. All right. Perfection. All right, so here at Fitty and Tactical, we're trying to give you good quality content, especially for new shooters, people that may be underrepresented in the community. So if these videos are helpful or informational, like and subscribe. Just kind of help grow the channel. That's what we're trying to do, is grow, get to as many people as possible. So if you like what you see, like and subscribe. All right, you guys stay safe.